an ordinary housewife, pero nung mapunta ako sa Yesland, kapakipakinabang ako sa mas maraming situation, naging productive ako, and nagkaroon ako ng self-development. So I'm grateful sa mahabang panahon na nandito ako sa Yesland. Maraming pagsubok, blessing, at happiness.
I'm happy and blessed to be part of Yesland Realty since dito kahit bago ka pa lang hindi ka mali-left out. Pamilya ang turingan at may mga free trainings tayo in order for us to have growth mindset and personal development.
We are all encouraged to dream big, work hard, and support each other.
Welcome to #October Deliver Sizzling Event and Recognition. We go beyond expectations. We fulfill promises, serve with dignity, and deliver excellence. Palakpakan naman natin lahat ng nandito ngayon. Kahit anong mangyari, huwag ka mag-give up. Huwag mo sukuan yung pangarap mo. Commitment mo na yan sa sarili mo. Na someday, magpapasalamat sa yung sarili mo. Thank you, self. Ang sipag mo, dahil sa'yo, nagbago yung buhay natin.
So, available units for sale is 371. Babawi tayo, di ba? Kaya ubusin? Yes! Kaya pa ma-achieve? Yes! Hindi na lang ang masarap.
Go Sandiego, go! Go Sandiego! Go, go Sandiego, go! Let's hit the trail!
Number 1!
So lahat sila nakaka-inspire. So talagang worth it na nandito ako ngayon.
Takeaway po, if we have a dream, syempre po, pagtrabahuhan po natin.
Yesland family, ayan, so napakagandang umattend lagi sa sizzling event dahil napakadaming learnings and talagang mag-i-ignite yung urge mo to continue helping others. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin dito is show up.
Yung kumustahan dito, napaka-holistic siya kasi hindi lang puro sales. Nakakapag-share kami ng mga personal insights namin. Hindi lang mga triumphs, pati yung mga challenges na i-share namin.
Seasons we rise, 'cause we are one Yesland family. Wherever I believe, together you and me, we'll serve with integrity and creativity, and all we have for God's glory. We are building communities and stronger families, transforming